It's Vegas, baby. Let's go. We have long night.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Follow the Imprints. We are Sudeshna and Ranjan, and today we are flying Flair from Toronto to the Sin City, Las Vegas for the first time. So today's video is all about our journey from Toronto to Vegas, and we will check in at the iconic Paris Las Vegas hotel, and we will give a room tour if we are still awake, because we'll be reaching at midnight to the hotel. So let's start from the beginning.
Keep watching this video to get to know how we booked this flight so cheap, only 70 Canadian dollars per person,
Including taxes.
So the first thing, we'll take Up Express from Union Station till YYZ. So it will take around 9 Canadian dollars. So let's go. So the frequency from city to airport for this Up Express is 15 minutes. So now train is here. It's 9 minutes to go. So it takes around 25 minutes from Union Station till Pearson Airport. It's very convenient. There is no traffic. You won't miss your flight. You know when you will reach at the airport. And secondly, we have to take this terminal train from Terminal 1 to Terminal 3, because the Flair Airlines is from Terminal 3. So let's go. In 3 minutes we have train. So because we are traveling budget airlines, Flair Airlines, they don't give you a check-in bag free. So
One personal item, it's free.
So we are taking this personal item, one each, and that's what we have.
For a week. If you are taking a carry-on or a check-in, everything it's up charge.
Yeah, even seat selection also charged. So we didn't select our seat. Whatever they have provided us, we took that. But luckily we got 29A and B, which is one new window seat, middle seat. So it's good for us. So our gate is A because this is a US flight. So all US flights from A gate in Terminal 3, and our is A12. A12.
As of now.
Yeah.
So if you are carrying any check-in baggages, you can drop off here and take the boarding passes. But we have our boarding passes and no check-in baggage, so we will directly go to the security check. If you hold particular Amex cards, then you can get this Amex priority security check-in access. So no need to give any lines, though it's quite empty today. And we will access the priority line now.
So we have 25 more minutes for the lounge, because the lounge will close at 7. I don't know why this rule, and they're supposed to open till the flights are there, but flight are done till midnight, but the lounge will close at 7 p.m. We are hungry, only 25 minutes. Let's see.
To pee.
So exactly at 7 o'clock they kicked us out from the lounge. So now we have 2 hours before our flight.
This was our second time in the Plaza Premium US Terminal 3, and both the times it's super crowded. Food was slightly better than our last experience. We ate quickly and now we are heading towards A12.
As a first timer, let's see if Vegas can be that fun and crazy in a real life. As we are traveling a budget airline, one thing for sure, mostly it doesn't run on time, and also sometimes it changes the gate as well. So our gate was A12. Now everyone is moving from this gate. It is A13. What are you waiting for? Final boarding call? It's Vegas, baby. Let's go. So when you're traveling a budget airline, try wear all your winter clothes.
Could we be wearing more clothes?
Could I be wearing any more clothes?
So that you don't have to pay extra for your luggage.
Take bare minimum so that everything is under 7 kilos in your personal item. No need to pay for carry-ons or check-in baggage, and it will be faster.
Yep. This is the line for document check for the people who did online check-in. So our flight is already 7 minutes late. Now it's still boarding. So maybe it will be 30 minutes late today. It's Flair.
Fly
It's
Flair.
expected. So this is leg space. This is straight.
Entertainment. Bring your own screen and you can just watch movies here.
So today we are flying Boeing 737-800.
Flight attendant, prepare to alter departure.
So there are in-flight services within Flair, and make sure to remember that they are not going to give you free food or anything free, but they have the options to buy food, or you can get your own food from home like we did, or you can get cup noodles as well and ask for hot water.
Welcome to Las Vegas. You know, when you see slots, you are in Vegas, baby. For Lyft or Uber, they have parking on the opposite side of the airport in the parking garage. So we are now walking to the spot. Right now our pickup is 6 minutes away, and from here to hotel, which is only 15 minutes, it is $33.
It will take hardly 15 minutes to the strip. We can see the strip from here,
Yeah.
but it's crazy expensive. So right now we are waiting at the parking lot area of Las Vegas airport for our Uber, and our flight was actually on time, though it started a bit delayed. We reached at 11:05 today at night, which is 2 o'clock as per our Toronto body clock.
So here we have chocolate candy. Let's check in now. So when you enter, you won't see the reception, you will see slots.
The roof is like a cloud cover here. We are in Europe. Reception looks like.
Now we have this big line for check-in. We have long night. Our body is saying it's 2:30, and we are now standing in check-in line. It's 12:25 here. Our body's clock is 3:25.
Yeah.
So
So we just got the room. Now we'll freshen up and go to sleep. See you tomorrow morning. Hello. We might have picked up the camera a little late today.
So this is our first full day in Las Vegas. So in morning we did our breakfast in one of the cheapest option in Vegas. We'll show
That
you.
was one of the cheapest find here.
Yeah, we'll show you later where it is. And then after that we did some work, and then we did our lunch, and now we got ready to go out and explore as a first timer in Vegas. Let's go.
But before that, let's give you the room tour. So once we enter, towards the left is the grand vintage looking washroom. So here is the mirror, and they give some nice toiletries. Here we have the toilet, and one of the best part of this washroom is that you do have the option of taking a bath or have a full standing shower cubicle. So once we enter towards the room, on our left side is this huge cabinet where we have the TV and
baby.
all the storage, where we have unpacked everything because we are going to stay here for 5 nights. And on these two sides we have the cupboards. We have the mini fridge here. Our bags are stuffed here, ignore that. And like 2 full-size mirror. And on this part, in this room, we got like 2 queen-size beds.
Although we are sleeping on that one.
Yeah, this is we are using as a sofa, and that's a bed. So this is like a bedside table with again some multiple drawers there. And here you have a small workstation, which kind of a mess right now with all the wires and stuffs. And one con about this amazing looking hotel is that you won't be having any amenities in the room like kettle or tea bags or coffee stuffs like that. And when we called for it, they don't have that in the premises. So that's one thing is lacking here. And now let's check out the view, which is much better during daytime because then we can see the mountains and the desert of Nevada, and it's amazing to see the sunrise from that side. We don't have the strip view because for that you need to pay extra, which we obviously didn't. We will show you everything outside of this Las Vegas strip, and we'll give you a tour of this Paris hotel as well in the upcoming videos.
So to answer the question how we booked that $70 flight from Toronto to Las Vegas, we were browsing Flair Airlines website. They always have some of the other deals going on. So we find out one of the deal which is half price, that if we book now for November or December journey, we get this $70 each flight. So on $278 we got return flight for 2 from Toronto to Las Vegas. That doesn't include check-in bag or carry-on. Only give you an option to your personal luggage. You can browse the website of Flair Airline. We'll give the link in the description. And if you get a deal in the Flair Airlines, let us know in the comment section.
If you're staying in Paris, Las Vegas and you don't have much budget constraints, definitely book for their Eiffel Tower view, because those rooms you get the views of the strip as well as the Eiffel Tower and the Bellagio fountain, so it's amazing. But that will cost you $30 to $40 per night extra on top of the room charge, so you can opt for it if you want. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till this end, and if you have liked this video, do hit the subscribe button and share this one with your friends and family who might be traveling to Las Vegas soon, be a first timer or a regular.
All this Las Vegas, everything, what all we will see, we will show you in the next episode. Please press the like button and the bell icon to get further notifications. Till then,
Follow the imprints. So as we don't have any check-in bag or any carry, we don't.
9 o'clock. In this video to how, so keep watching this video to know how we booked this video. It's final boarding call. So we are going to Vegas, baby. তারপরে যা বল।
এগুলোকে কি বলে?
আইফেল টাওয়ার।
হ্যাঁ?
Please press the bell icon